Here we learn about Python strings representation to the computer program. Uh, English letters, right? Whatever it is coming, like each letter A, B, C, whichever letter is represented using 1 byte, that we all know. But some of the languages may not be directly represented with the English letters or English alphabet. So there the computer understands all of them through the byte encoding. So we can use UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32, that kind of byte encodings, and the corresponding data will be represented to the computer program like this. If it is some Arabic letters are there, so those are represented like this. Like each byte is put in there like this program uses UTF-8, like that you can use UTF-16, UTF-32 also. So whenever we are taking any other language code, even sometimes English language code also, we need to encode UTF-8. People who are practicing may come across practicing in the strings area, right? They will come across these kind of issues. Particularly when you copy paste from the directly from website to your text file and then giving it as an input. Okay, this one point should be noted.